Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little spend the day with us. It's about 12:30 right now and I got ready, the kids are ready. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet, but yeah, I'll just take you guys along with me. So I realized I haven't even shown my baby bump. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm wearing. I just have one of these, I forgot what they're called. They're like a sweater. Then, see you guys.
They can't see you.
It's okay.
They're done. Another kind, wait. Now. Let's begin. Whoa.
Okay, so we're finished at Walmart and I am in the car line. If you guys have grade school kids, oh my gosh. The line is forever. And my battery's about to die, so I have to charge that for a little bit when I get home. I feel so like everyone just stares at you when I try to film in Walmart. So, and I also was running late on time, so I wasn't able to film too much inside Walmart. But I just got some wrapping paper and I got a frozen pizza and a rotisserie chicken for tonight. So dinner can just be easy. Fridays I feel like can get so hectic, like really fast, and I just want to have like a relaxing night with the kids tonight and watch a Christmas movie and do some hot cocoa, stuff like that. When I get home I might film a bump date or do something. I'm not sure yet. Hi Victoria. Okay you guys, so we are going to my doctor's appointment. This is going to be the first appointment since finding out I have gestational diabetes. So I have no clue if we're gonna get an ultrasound or if they're gonna measure how big the baby is. I'm 32, 33 weeks. I don't know when they start measuring the baby and start talking about when I need to be induced. If I need to be induced early or not.
Dad?
Okay, so we are at my house. Just finished up our grocery shopping. And my good friend has a clothing company, so I'm watching her live sale right now. It's royalty. But yeah, on Facebook she's having like a live sale right now, so yeah, just watching. And I'll have her Instagram tag in my description so you guys can check out her clothing that she has.
You're getting out for $30 and free shipping. So anything that you want to purchase today, it is free shipping. They'll ship out tomorrow morning, so we can open 3 or 4 days if I'm not mistaken. So we have the ash color and then we have the burgundy. Burgundy one normally $40, $30. Again, so this one I do believe Lisa says she wants it, so this is $30, girl, so I'll message you. So we have the blue royalty men's tape.
Tell me if you get sick. Don't do that, please. Don't do that. Watch out for that lady.
How much was the grocery bill?
$147.
Okay, so does anyone else love when they get the wrapping like on point, it feels like? Look at that. Okay, so I'm all done with my husband's gift. So pretty. Buy the wrapping paper like sometime after Christmas when it's like $2.50 or something. I'll just buy a couple of the ones that I want and stuff like that. So let me know if anyone else does that, or if I don't know. I'm not the only one that does it. I know we're gonna be having some family over Christmas Day. We always have a party. So actually filmed it last year for that was maybe like my second video I ever filmed for my channel, and I showed like our Christmas party. I didn't do a good job filming. Whenever we have parties, I have such a hard time like picking up the camera and just filming. And so every now and then I'll try to do it, and then you could just tell people are uncomfortable with it, or it's just awkward. So and I always like, I've been trying not to like pick up my phone anymore. For a good while I've been trying not to like touch my phone, or you know, bust out my phone and take a bunch of pictures when I'm around like friends and family. So I feel like I got into that habit. So for me to bust out my camera, or for my mind to even think like, oh, I need to get my camera and film this, I'm just not thinking about it too much. But I want to start doing it more, and get better at like vlogging and filming, and just doing like the ins and outs of like our parties, and just kind of all of the footage, because I want these for memories too. Because sometimes I look back at like birthday parties and stuff, I'm like, I know it was busy and whatnot, but those could have been memories that I could have had. So I'm gonna start doing it like this upcoming year and stuff, and the holidays coming up. Okay, so the kids are dressed. We're gonna go to the mall, but I guess Bass Pro Shop has free Santa pictures, so we're just gonna do that. Okay, so we're at Bass Pro Shop. I guess Santa's gonna be here, so I'm hoping the line isn't long, because there's like so many people right now. The gang.
This one go in the middle of this one. Okay? So look through there and look at that, and then shoot where you want to shoot.
What did you want?
He wants me to open that. I'm not gonna open it.
See him. Go see Santa. So this was actually a success, and they were free, or this one was free. So it is Christmas Eve, and I have to go run to Target to do a quick return. So I feel like these are really good white elephant gifts. Just fun little gifts to buy. They have a lot at Walmart too. Okay, so if you guys watch my cleaning videos, or you guys want to get excited about cleaning, get the Method all-purpose cleaner. My most favorite one is the pink grapefruit, the Method one. Get this one. It's like $2.99 at Target. Okay, so if you have a nice wooden table and your kids put Sharpie on it,
You did.
little
First time.
tip,
I know, never, first time in ever.
get some toothpaste, preferably Crest, and you're just gonna keep rubbing.
And then I keep on getting busy and busy,
Yeah.
and then I just like, I just run out of time, you know.
Well, probably one more round.
Out of time. And he's
What is it?
I call.
Oh my god.
I can open it.
yeah.
Hold, hold, hold.
Don't tell me.
Ball?
Lego.
Oh boy.
Yes. Yes.
American Girl Lego set?
Yeah. Ooh.
Wow.
Read it.
Let me see, Josh. Let me see. Wow.
Wow.
Movie authentic.
Over here.
Who's over here in front of the fireplace?
Want to touch my dip on them?
Right there. It's fine.
No, don't in my face.
No. Yay.
Now in here, I feel like in here like a new gun. Having like a new gun. New gun. Gun. In here, like.
Oh, I see. I remember. No, yeah, but you don't have three. Number 4. No, but the number. So number 2 will either pick what Dean is.
You want the
You have to here. You have to open it. No, the way you play the game. Oh, Echo Dot.
You knew that size.
Hey Alexa!
They already got 2.
Hey Alexa!
Open it up.
And a Starbucks card.
You went over and beyond.
6!
I'm 6.
That's all $5 gift cards, right?
I need a number. Go down with the crop pot.
Give it a number.
No, Nico got number. Nico first mom. First
Sorry,
mom.
his mom. Where's his mom's gift?
brought a gift. Which brought a gift? So you have my number too? Oh, okay. All right, she's got my number. Yeah, you told me.
Victoria, you got Anna's number 8. Lord God, the Father of all.
I have to talk loud for a moment, okay?
Alexa, shut up. Alexa, play me a song. That's baby making sheets right there.
Get your balls.
Number 2. That's still number 2. We did it. No, because that's grandma's number. What are you talking about? That's grandma's number.
$15 Starbucks.
Hey, dog, it's not your turn.
Watch out for the cat. Alright you guys, so it is after Christmas now and I am putting together all the clips and editing this video. And I don't have an outro, so I just figured I would do one real fast. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you guys can get my notifications for when I post a new video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.